Item SCP-614. Object Class Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-614 itself cannot be contained until knowledge is gained about the whereabouts of the server hosting SCP-614. Until then, knowledge of SCP-614 must be prevented from entering the public. Distributing the IP address of SCP-614 to unauthorized personnel is prohibited. Agents are to periodically take measures to make sure that access to SCP-614 is blocked at all internet service providers. Description: SCP-614 is a website located at the IP address 57.32. The IPv4 block 57.0.0.0.8 is owned by SETA and used for telecommunications in the air transport industry. It is not yet known if this has any significance. SETA records do not show that the IP address has been allocated or used for any purpose, and SETA claims to have no knowledge of any servers operating at the address. The homepage of SCP-614 is a plainly formatted search page. There is a single search box on the page, under which are 3 drop-down lists, a search button, and an I'm feeling lucky button. The drop-down lists allow the user to specify a date, ranging from the 2nd of July, 2001, to the 25th of August, 2021. The first date has been identified as the release date of the first BitTorrent client, while the significance of the last date is as of yet unknown. When a date is entered and the search button is pressed, the website will load a list of search results, known as torrents, from various peer-to-peer file sharing websites at the time of the given date. The I'm feeling lucky button will return a single random result from a random date. Experiments have shown that searches with the date set at a past date are perfectly accurate as to the results, while searches from a future date are around 95% accurate at returning the actual results that will appear on the given date. See experiment log 614-1. Examination of the web page's source code shows that the website operates by searching a local database. Efforts to retrieve the database or access it directly have been unsuccessful.